gone off like 8 times.
Are you sure?
It's so funny. Go look at my snap. I'm sorry. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogmas. It is absolutely freezing right now. I am literally so cold. Also, I have no idea where my tripod went, which is very concerning. Y'all are probably gonna notice that every time I vlog in my car, Sis is just gonna be in the background. Anyways, I am on my way to Eagle, Idaho. It is like a 30-minute drive from Boise, but it's this adorable town, and there are so many cute little Christmas shops and things like that. So we're gonna go Christmas shopping today. I really want to romanticize Idaho because people do not give it enough love. And people think that it's just Potatoville, and Idaho literally has the cutest little towns and gems and spots. So the street that I'm going on, there are 4 different stores that I really like. There's Mason Blue, this super cute antique store. I think it's like Donovan's Antiques or something like that. Then there's Acquire & Co. and then Sweet Tea Living. I'm gonna hit up all 4 of those places, and I'm gonna get some Christmas presents before I go to Austin in one day. So yeah, we're gonna go together. I'm so excited. I want to buy these for my kids, and I don't even have kids right now.
Give me a Coco. Hi, Coco. She's scared of my boots, so she's getting
Hi. Oh my gosh, you are so stinking cute.
Precious.
No shot, I just parallel parked and it actually looks good. What? Who am I? I just finished shopping. You guys, I got the cutest stuff. Like, I'm so excited to show y'all. I didn't end up going to any of the other stores on the street just because I was like, you know what, I'm on a time crunch. I've got my bar class at 5:30. This is the last one. I just don't want to be stressed because I also have to pack and all that stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick little haul of what I got. Or should I wait till I go home? I think I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to do the haul when I get home. Mason Blue, if you have never ever looked at their Instagram, first off, you need to go follow them because I will plug them till the day I die. I also am going to romanticize Hyde Park, which is where I'm at right now. It's in northern Boise, and literally this whole street is so cute. Like, I'm just gonna show you this little vintage candy shop that I'm parked right outside of. It's so cute. Certified Bakery is here, Hyde Park Coffee is here, all of the best and cutest places. Also Lit & Co candle, where I made a candle with my friends in Vlogmas Day 2. Anyways, I'm gonna run into Certified and get a tuna niçoise salad because, yeah, I'm like starving and I want to make sure that I'm fueled for my bar class. So here's your reminder. I always say this, but nourish to flourish. I was so sad because they didn't have the tuna niçoise salad. The girl in front of me literally took the last one, which, I mean, as she should, because that thing is amazing. So instead, I got the classic rotisserie chicken salad sandwich, and that's always a hit. I don't know, I was in the mood for tuna, and it has like a lot of protein, but so does chicken, so it's okay. Can't wait to give you guys a haul of what I got, because you guys, I'm so excited. And hopefully my mom and Miss Rhonda don't end up watching this, because I got them some things from this store. We are going to finish packing. I'm gonna eat my sandwich. I'm gonna give you guys a haul. Then I've gotta go to my bar class at 5:30. And then guess who's coming to spend the night tonight? Yay! I literally cannot wait to eat. I am so hungry right now. Also, I'm obsessed with my red nails. I can't believe that I never got red nails before. Like, I just always do white and cream because it's safe. And I just don't think I'm about that anymore. Watch me get white. Oh, there's literally a guy right there. That's cool. Wow, this looks amazing. You guys. Like, I'm sorry, what? Oh my god, I'm gonna miss this for a month. It's kind of sad to think that my flight is now not going to Tahoe and then to Austin. It's going just to Austin, but it's okay. I know everything happens for a reason, and Drew and I will at some point be able to go on vacation together, but this is actually the second trip of ours that has gotten canceled. We were gonna go to Florida together in the summer, but then he got COVID, so we didn't go. And then we were gonna go to Tahoe with his sister and then her boyfriend, and something came up. So it's just been really frustrating. Like, we just haven't been able to go somewhere together, but it's okay. We will one day. Too good. Gotta have my glass of milk. If you know me, I'm lactose intolerant, but I still love milk regardless if it's the real deal or not. But fun fact, when I was younger, probably all my childhood, before I figured out that I was lactose intolerant, my mom and dad would make my sister and I drink a glass of milk every breakfast and every night. And I don't think it affected me when I was younger, because I like genuinely loved it. But now I just have an obsession with milk, and I just love drinking glassfuls of it because it's literally so yum. So I need to use up all this anyways because I am leaving. And I don't want my food to expire, but I'll show you guys my fridge right now because it looks really bare and just naked. So yeah, this is literally what we're working with. Nothing up there, nothing down there. Okay, let's do a little haul of what I got. Also, let's take a moment and appreciate how beautiful it is outside. I'm sorry, what? It is stunning, and my table outside and my whole deck is covered in snow. So hopefully my battery doesn't die. Like I said, I went to Mason Blue today. I love how they attach a bell on every single order that somebody places from them. If you ever get the chance to go into that store, or if you order something from online, say hi to my girl Alexandra. She is so sweet. Yeah, it's just always such a pleasant experience. I feel like nowadays it's really hard to have a good experience when you're in a store because either the employees are cranky. You can just tell that they don't want to be there, but this is a mother-daughter owned store, and basically I was chatting with her and she was telling me that she really wanted to travel and have her store. So what they do is they go to places in Europe, all across the world, and they find pieces from local craftsmen. They work a deal out with that person, and then they take it back and sell it at their store. So as y'all know, I love my Swedish gnome. It's on my nightstand. So I got 2 more, surprise, shocker. But they're not for me, don't worry. I already have enough in my house. We'll start off with the gnomes because you already know what that looks like, but I wanna show you the ones that I got. My mom and Miss Rhonda, if you're watching this, you need to click off right now. I'll give you 5 seconds to click off. If you're still on, click off. So I got each of them a gnome. Every time I look at it, I'm like, you're kidding. This is the cutest thing alive. So I got a red one and then a gray one. And this wool is literally so freaking soft. This is the original craftsman who made it in Sweden. The owners also threw in the stories. It's super cool. It just tells you all about it. So I'm gonna include that whenever I give it to them. Next thing I got is a card. If you know me, you know I love cards. And Drew and I write cards for all of our anniversaries, especially since we do long distance. We love getting all the aesthetic and cute ones, and this store not only had the cutest Christmas cards, but they also had just the cutest love cards, anniversary, birthday. I mean, I was in awe. It was amazing. I had to pace myself because sometimes I like to buy cards in advance, but it kind of ruins it if you just buy everything in advance. Okay, so cute. Next up, I got a little ornament. This ornament is a cute little house and it lights up. Like, how cute is that? I'm gonna say cute so many times in this video, but it literally lights up. It's so dainty and it's gonna go perfectly with my tree because I really like the minimalism of my tree right now. And then the very last thing that I got from Mason Blue is this adorable house. I had been eyeing this for so long. Every single time that I went in, I think I've been in there 4 times since November. November 5th was the first time that I ever went in there. So I had to leave with it, and how adorable is it? Everything about it, the little holly berries, just gonna make my home so perfect. And I'm honestly sad that I'm not gonna be here to enjoy it because I'm literally leaving for Texas so soon, but next Christmas I will definitely get to enjoy it. I'm gonna, oh wait, no, I literally forgot one more thing. Pause. My mom loves candles. I think my candle obsession developed because of my mom. When I brought my mom to this store about a month ago when she came up towards Thanksgiving, she told me specifically that she was eyeing this and loved it. And so yeah, I had to get it for her. So I'm gonna be taking this back. KK is coming over tonight and I'm going to make us some tofu, brown rice, and edamame for dinner. I slugged my face, so if it looks really shiny, that is why. I don't know what it is, but it is so dry here in Idaho, and I'm from Texas, so it was always humid, and my skin has just kind of had a really hard time. Like, I get very, very dry on my face, especially around like the corners of my mouth. And it's not just me, literally Lex and I have been talking about how we get the same dryness in the same exact spots, and our bodies just, they're having a little bit of a hard time adjusting. Tofu is currently on the stove right now. I'm about to add in the edamame. This is from Whole Foods, and I've never had Whole Foods edamame, so I'm really excited about this. Can't wait to go home tomorrow. I still just am in disbelief that I'm finally going to be home and I get to see all of my friends, like Lexi, Mary Margaret, Gracie, Brooke. I won't be able to see Fia because she is in Florida. She actually moved there permanently, but I think she is coming up in January or February, I want to say. And I'm so excited because I miss her so much. Okay, ignore the presentation, definitely not as aesthetic as I would have liked, but this is the completed meal. I just added the soyaki Trader Joe's sauce. This is my all-time favorite sauce, so if you are trying to find a good little flavoring to any salmon, chicken, or tofu, I would highly, highly recommend this sauce right here. But yeah, there's just brown rice underneath, Whole Foods, edamame on top, and then obviously the tofu.
To her during the summer.
I'll send you weird Snapchat stuff.
Oh, please do. I'll save them, and then when I go to hang out with her again, I'll show her every single one of them.
I love you.
I love you too.
What's up, kitty girl? We just had dinner. It was fire. And now I'm fueling my sweet tooth. I just had a Rolo, and I think oh.
Big booty man. Sorry. Big booty man. Hey.
Sorry. I like literally ran my into her leg. We're having a left twix because, you know, go Candy. Yeah, this is my last night with KK, which is literally so sad because she's my first friend and my last goodbye.
Oh my god, oh yeah, because I'm dropping you off at the airport. We have to plan the Utah trip. Beginning of June, right? That's when we're thinking.
I vote yes. I vote yes.
Comment where we should go if we go to Utah. Like, what are good places in Utah?
Crackling wood all season, decorating a loneless Christmas once again, making amends and tying loose ends.